If your Facebook page is unpublished or hidden, don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you exactly how to unhide and republish a Facebook page using the Facebook app. First, open the Facebook app and make sure you're logged into the account that has admin access to the Facebook page. Otherwise, the publish option will not appear. Now, tap on the menu icon inside Facebook and switch to the profile of the Facebook page that was unpublished. Just tap the profile dropdown and select your page. Once the page profile is active, tap on the page icon near the What's on Your Mind section to open your Facebook page dashboard. Here, you'll see that the page is currently unpublished or hidden from the public. Simply tap on the option that says Turn On or Publish Page. Facebook will now ask you to confirm the action. Just tap on Confirm and your Facebook page will instantly become visible again. After refreshing the page, you'll notice the unpublished warning is gone and your Facebook page is now live to the public. So yeah, that's how to unhide or republish a Facebook page on the Facebook app. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Facebook tips and tutorials.